Second video of determinants. Determinant of a matrix of order 3. Now here see this. This is a determinant. Order 3 means 3 rows, 3 columns. Now we have to expand this determinant. You can either expand through row wise or column wise. Only one way you have to expand, either row 1 or row 2 or row 3 or column 1 or column 2 or column 3. Whichever way you will be expanding it, you will be getting the same answer. I am expanding along the first row, means row 1. You can see it, just I am adjusting this. See, let the determinant is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. I am expanding along first row, that is A11, A12 and A13. See the first step. First step is multiply first element. First element is A11 of row 1 by minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 to the power sum of suffixes in A11. इसके नीचे दिख रहे हैं आपको? This is 1 1. These are known as suffixes. Means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, which will be minus 1 to the power 2. We know that it will be a plus sign, but still the step is like this only. You should remember this. So A11 will be multiplied with this minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 and with the second order determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. Why first row and first column? Just see here. This is the term A11. If I put this, a line over here, this way and this way. One is horizontal and one is vertical. Means just you can say I am hiding this A11 like this. See here. Now what you can see? Only A22, A23, A32 and A33. This is only the determinant left. After deleting this row, first row and first column, this. Now this is the first term we will be getting. Now for A12, what we will be doing? Second element is A12. Again the same thing. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. The term is A12. Now let me do the same thing for A12. Just see this. Just hide this like this wherever the term is there, vertically and horizontally. We will be left with only, just see this. After hiding these two things, I am getting only these four terms: A21, A23, A31 and A33. Right? Understood it? See here, this is a determinant. Now for third element, see for A13. A13 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, A13. And now hide again in this way, wherever the term is lying, you have to hide that specific row and column, and the left terms you have to write it in the form of determinant. After hiding these two, just see here what we are left with: A21, A22, A31 and A32. So these are the steps you have to follow. In this way I had expanded along row 1. Now for the value of the determinant, we will be adding these three terms: first term, second term and third term. See here, I am writing it together, all the terms, right? I had written it here. Now see, this will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, this will be positive. This is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. So it will be a negative term, since minus 1 to the power any odd number will be a negative term. Here it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, that will be 4. Again an even term, and we will get the result in the positive form. When we will expand this determinant, we will be getting A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. Similarly for this and this, what we are going to get, see here. On the next page, A11 and expanding that determinant, then minus times A12, expanding the determinant, and A13 expanding the third determinant. right? Clear? When you will practice it, you will be able to understand more, which will be there in exercise 4.1, which I will be telling you in the next video. And few points you should remember. You can expand the determinant along any row or column. You will get the same value. आप किसी भी रो या कॉलम के along expand करें, whichever you find easy, you will be getting the same value. So here your IQ should know that if we are expanding along any row or column, whichever should be having maximum number of zeros. जहां पर भी जीरोस ज़्यादा हो उस कॉलम या उस रो के अलॉन्ग एक्सपैंड कीजिए ताकि आपका आंसर जो है वो जल्दी से मिल जाएगा. See, like here we have to evaluate this determinant. You can see here this 400 means column 3 are having 2 zeros. So I will be expanding along column 3. See here, again I am expanding it. So 4. In this way, hide this. What we are left? I had written the determinant -1, 3, 4, 1. Now this will be 0. Like this. Hide this. We are getting 1, 2, 4, 1. And now this 0, 1, 2, -1 and 3. Right? So, after writing 4, these two terms will become 0 and 0. And for this, 4 -1 into 1, that is -1. Minus 4 into 3, that is 12. So, this is -13 into 4, that is -52.